Every second, thousands of Bitcoin transactions happen around the world. But who keeps track of all those transactions? Surprisingly, no single bank or company does. The answer is something called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital notebook. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, a new record is added. But instead of being stored on one computer, identical copies are shared across thousands of computers around the world. Imagine Alice sends one Bitcoin to Bob. That transaction is grouped together with many others into a block. Before the block is added, computers across the network verify that every transaction is valid. Once verified, the new block is permanently linked to the previous block. That's why it's called a blockchain, a chain of digital blocks connected in order. Because every computer stores the same information, changing one record would require changing thousands of copies at the same time. That's one reason blockchain is considered highly secure.
Blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. It can also be used for supply chains, digital identity, healthcare records, and many other applications where trusted record-keeping matters. Blockchain is changing how people store and verify information. Understanding this technology is one of the first steps toward understanding the future of digital finance and many other industries. Now you know what blockchain is and why it's such an important technology. In the next video, we'll explain how Bitcoin mining works in simple terms. Subscribe so you don't miss it.